This is Bắc Hà Market. I've just tried to find a little quiet-ish spot just to record this. It's taken us about 3 hours to get here this morning by road, and I've just been to the buffalo market, and it's mad here. It's pretty busy. I've been to busy markets before in my life, but this is quite colourful. Tourist stuff, but a lot of animals, a lot of food, a lot of restaurants. Biggest market in the region. All the ethnic minorities tribe come here from miles around for this big day, which runs once a week on a Sunday, and it's great. And we're here for another hour wandering around, and I'll see what I can see. So I was amongst the hundreds of people that come to Bắc Hà Market on a Sunday for the hill tribes that come to barter, buy and sell and exchange everything that they need for the week. It's an amazing place. It's a riot of colour, and the interesting thing is that on a Saturday night there used to be a love market. You don't really see that anymore. You just see a kind of tourist representation of the love market. The young Red Zhao Hill tribe members used to come to Sapa to sing songs to the opposite sex. Girls sang the songs hidden in the dark when a boy found them, and if they matched together, they disappeared into the forest for 3 days. And it's a little bit more complicated than that, in that, you know, there were chaperones and people would go along to the boy's house to see whether the girl could get on with their family. And if after 3 days they decided that that wasn't for them, then that was fine, that was okay. But apparently for the black Hmong, you only got to say no 3 times, and after that, I'm not really sure what happened. The guy that we were with said that she said yes on her second time, but she did refuse her suitor the first time of asking. Anyway, it's an amazingly interesting place. It's well worth a look if you are in North Vietnam, and it's even possibly worth getting there on the Saturday night because it is quite a trek from Sapa, I have to say.